Good morning, students. Today we will learn about second chapter of chemistry, that is matter around us pure? So first of all, what is matter? First of all, what is matter? In first chapter we have learned about the matter. Matter is a here. Matter is a substance occupies space. Substance occupies space and has a mass. Substance occupies space and has a mass is called as a matter. Is called as a matter. Now, here, see here, the matter is divided into pure substances, is classified into the pure substances and impure substances. Matter is classified into pure substance and impure substance. Now, first of all, we will discuss about pure substance. We will discuss about pure substance. What is a pure substance? Here is a definition of pure substance. It is a substance that is made up of a single type of particles. What is it exactly? It is a substance that is made up of a single type of particles. ऐसा सब्सटेंस जो सिंगल टाइप ऑफ पार्टिकल से बनता है इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्योर सब्सटेंस. नाउ एग्जाम्पल्स: आयरन, सिल्वर, ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन इज अ O2, means these are a pure substance. Now, characteristics of pure substance. Characteristics of pure substance. It has uniform composition. It has a uniform composition. That is, the pure substance has a uniform composition. That is, it is homogeneous. The components, that is the substance which are present in pure substances, the elements which are present in pure substances has a homogeneous. All are homogeneous. All are homogeneous in nature. That's why we called it as a pure substance. Everyone got it? Now, second, it can't be separated into its constituents. प्योर सब्सटेंस को हम सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते बाय एनी फिजिकल और एनी केमिकल चेंज. प्योर सब्सटेंस को हम सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते बाय एनी फिजिकल और केमिकल चेंज. नाउ थर्ड वन, it has a fixed melting and boiling point. The characteristics of pure substance is it has a fixed melting and boiling point. First of all, what is melting and boiling point? Melting point means the substance, the temperature at which substance is changes solid into liquid. It is called as a melting point. And what is a boiling point? The substance, the temperature at which the substance is boils, the liquid is boils, it is, that point is called as a boiling point. Now the pure substance is classified again into elements and compounds. Again it is classified into elements and compound. Now here, what is elements? What is element? The pure substance which cannot be broken down by chemical means ऐसा substance जो broken down means break नहीं हो सकता by the chemical means or physical means. The substance which cannot broken down by the any chemical means, it is called as a elements. Now about compounds. What is compound? The compound is composed of many identical molecules and also composed of atoms from more than one elements. एक से ज़्यादा एलिमेंट से जो कंपाउंड कंपोज्ड होता है मीन्स बनता है उसे बोलेंगे कंपाउंड. इट इज़ अ कंपाउंड. नाउ Examples for the elements and compounds. Example are oxygen, chlorine, copper, iron are the examples for the elements, and for compounds water, sand, cane, sugar. It is a example for compound. Now here hydrogen is an element because it cannot be split into two or more simple substances by any physical or chemical method. First of all, what is the definition for element? The pure substance which cannot be broken down by chemical or physical change. Okay? So here hydrogen, that is H2, is an element because it cannot be split into two or more simpler substances, is a element. Again, next example, water is an element. Water is also an element because it can be split into two simpler substances. Okay? Now again, elements is classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids. Elements classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids. Just take a look here. Metals have luster and shine, means metal are shiny. What is the metal? What are the metals? Metal are shiny. They are good conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Most of the metals are solid at room temperature except mercury which is liquid. ओनली मर्क्यूरी है जो रूम टेम्परेचर पे लिक्विड रहता है, बाकी सारे मेटल्स सॉलिड होते हैं. सो हियर आर द एग्जाम्पल्स फॉर मेटल्स: सोडियम, zinc, copper, gold and aluminium. Now let's look at the non-metals. Non-metals usually lack of luster, that is they are not shiny, are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और हीट के बैड कंडक्टर से, वो हीट ट्रांसफ़र नहीं करते हैं. They are generally gases. They are generally gases. And solid are soft and brittle. Now here are the example for this: hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus. These are the non-metals. These are the non-metals. Now about metalloids. What are the metalloids? Metalloids have shown both properties, that is metals and non-metals. They show the properties of both metals and non-metals. Here are the examples for this: silicon, boron, arsenic, antimony, germanium. Here are the example for the metalloids. Elements are classified. Here I am telling you again, elements are classified into three: metals, non-metals and metalloids. Metals have shine, non-metals does not shine. Metals are good conductor of electricity and heat. Non-metals bad conductor of electricity and heat. Okay? And metalloids show both property. Metalloids showing the properties of metal also and non-metals also. Okay? Now let's move to definition of compound. What is compound? Here Compound is a composed of many identical. Compound is composed of many identical molecule composed of atom of the more than one element. Composed atoms of the more than one element. Okay. Now here one comparison between compounds and elements. Elements is a substance which cannot be split into two or more different substances. Simple, element is a substance which cannot be split into two or different substances. Here same compound can be split into two or more different substances. एलिमेंट स्प्लिट नहीं होता है और कंपाउंड स्प्लिट हो सकता है डिफरेंट टू और मोर डिफरेंट सब्सटेंसेज में. नाउ एन एलिमेंट इज फॉर्म फ्रॉम एटम ऑफ द सेम काइंड. सी द सेम वर्ड. एक ही एटम्स के, जैसे ऑक्सीजन, ऑक्सीजन ही एटम है उसमें, मीन्स वो है एलिमेंट है. बट NaCl, लेट्स टेक अ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ NaCl. NaCl इज़ अ कंपाउंड. इसमें Na भी है, सोडियम एंड क्लोरीन ऑल्सो. इट इज़ अ कंपाउंड बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ बोथ sodium also and chlorine also. It is a compound. Okay. H2O, it is also a compound. Water is also a compound. Okay, got it. Now we will discuss the definition of the mixture. What is a mixture? What is a mixture? So, what is mixture? A mixture is a material made up of two or more different substances which are physically combined. Mixture is a material made up of two or more different substances which are physically combined. Now, here are the example for mixture. Soil and soft drink. Soil and soft drink are the example for the mixture. Now, these are the example for mixture. Now here, air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor. Now, steel is a mixture of iron, carbon and small amount of nickel and chromium. Steel is a mixture of iron, carbon and small amount of nickel and chromium. Okay. Now, up to this we have to stop here. Now in next class we will discuss more about mixture, types of mixture, what is a solution, what are the again elements, compounds, what are solutions, what are the type of mixture. Now we will stop here now.